In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a sticker in Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Stickers are a fun way to personalize your chats, and the process to create one is quick once you know where everything is. With the app open, go into any chat. It doesn't matter which one, this is just the place where you'll access the sticker tools. At the message bar, open the sticker panel by tapping the sticker icon. This brings up your existing stickers and gives you access to the creation tools. Look for the plus button labeled Create a Sticker and tap it. This is your doorway to building something totally custom. Telegram will prompt you to choose an image, so select a photo from your gallery. For best results, pick a clear picture with a strong subject and good contrast. A simple background makes cutting out the main object easier. But don't worry if your photo is busy, the editor can handle it. Once your image loads, use the editing tools to shape your sticker. Start by removing the background to isolate your subject. The automatic cutout does a solid job. But you can refine the edges if needed for a cleaner look. Take a moment to adjust the position and size of the subject so it'll read well at sticker scale. If you want extra personality, add text with a readable font and color that stands out. You can draw simple accents, underline a joke, or add emojis to amplify the expression. Try not to overcrowd the space, stickers are small in chat. So bold. Simple choices work best. If you make a mistake, just undo and try again. A quick preview can help you see how it will appear once sent. When you are happy with the design, finalize it. Choose the option to send the sticker, then decide how you want to save it. Add it to your favorites for quick access. Or add it to a sticker set to keep it organized with related designs. Favorites are great for one-off stickers you'll use a lot, while sets are perfect if you are building a collection around a theme. Now tap Send to add the sticker to a set. After it's sent, it becomes part of your Telegram stickers, ready to use in any chat. You'll see it show up in your sticker panel. And if you added it to favorites, it will be right there at the top for easy access the next time you want to send it. That's it. Thanks for watching.